With good wishes, let's start today's new chapter is trigonometry. Trigonometry, though it's look like a new word, if you split into three words, it is formed trigonometry. The meaning of it is three angle measurement. So there are six functions associated with trigonometry. We talk about trigonometric function. We have sine theta. Sine theta, by taking three words of the sine theta, you will written as sine theta. Similarly, cosine theta as cos theta. Similarly, you have tangent theta. If you take three words, tan theta, cotangent theta, cot theta, and secant theta can be written as secant theta by taking three words of the letter, and cosecant theta can be written as cosecant theta, because you cannot take three word here because it already cos theta present. If you take again three word, then again this is also formed as a cos theta only. In order to avoid that confusion, here we have taken five words and it is called as cosecant theta. Okay, and I mentioned with same color, sin theta and cosecant theta I given same color, and cosine theta, cos theta and secant theta I have given same color, and similarly tan theta and cot theta I have given same color. Why this? Because so you have the relationship between sin theta and cosecant theta. So that is called reciprocal relationship. So this reciprocal relation means sin theta can be written as 1 over cosecant theta. Similarly, cos theta can be written as 1 over secant theta, and tan theta can be written as 1 over cot theta. That's why I mentioned with the same color. So here sin theta, as I told you, we in order to simplify it, we taken only three letters of the term sin. Similarly, cosine also we taken only three letters of the cosine and called as cos theta. Tangent theta also we taken three letters of tangent theta and is simply called as tan theta, and cotangent theta three letters as cot theta, and secant theta as three letters we call it as secant theta, and cosecant theta, because already cos theta present, you cannot take three letters, we have taken five letters and we call it as cosecant theta. These are the six trigonometric functions we are going to use extensively in future application of mathematics and engineering application. We are going to use this trigonometric function. So where you can apply the trigonometric function means you can apply this trigonometric function in mathematics and science whenever you have a right angle triangle. As I told you, trigonometric means three angle measurement. Whenever you have right angle triangle, to find out unknown, if you know a few sides and if you know one angle and one side, remaining all other terms can be find out by application of these angles. If you talk about a reciprocal relationship, in the next slide I have given reciprocal relationship. So here you see reciprocal relationship. So you have sin theta can be written as 1 over cosecant theta. Similarly, cos theta can be written as 1 over secant theta, and next tan theta can be written as 1 over cot theta. So if you know these three terms, sin theta, cos theta and tan theta, by using reciprocal relationship, so we can find out remaining three trigonometric functions. So basically there are six trigonometric functions. Okay, so let's try to define this trigonometric function by using right angle triangle. As I told you, right angle triangle we are going to use for defining this trigonometric function. So what is this? If you take right angle triangle ABC, here you know only one side, this 90 degree you know, this is 90 degree you know, other side you don't know what is the length of AB or BC and AC, you don't know the length, only this angle you know. So let's assume 90 degree line with vertical line, angle with vertical line to horizontal line is 90 degree, and here so angle of this AC side with horizontal line is, let's consider it as theta. So opposite to this theta angle, this side AB side we call it as opposite side, and the angle, this angle with horizontal side BC we called it as, this side is called it as adjacent side, and the longer side of the right angle triangle we call it as hypotenuse side. So in simple word, we can, in order to use for defining this trigonometric function, in bracket I mention opposite side will be referred as OPP and adjacent side as ADJ and hypotenuse as HIP in simple terms. Okay, simplification like this. So you know this. So then how you define trigonometric function based on this? Okay, how you define based on this? Sin theta can be defined as, here you see, sin theta is defined as opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side by hypotenuse. Sin theta is defined as opposite side by hypotenuse. This is the sin theta, which is defined as opposite side. Opposite side here is AB and hypotenuse here is AC. Okay, similarly cos theta, how you define? You need to remember this. Sin theta is opposite by hypotenuse. You need to remember this. Okay, this is the definition of sin theta. So opposite here is AB and similarly hypotenuse is AC. Similarly, how you define cos theta? Cos theta is defined as adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. This is the standard formula you need to remember the rest of your life. So cos theta is equal to adjacent divided by hypotenuse. Adjacent side here is BC is the adjacent side and AC is the hypotenuse. Similarly, tan theta, how you define tan theta? Tan theta is defined as opposite side is AB divided by adjacent side BC. So the ratio of opposite side and adjacent side is the tan theta. As I told you, if you know these three angles, remaining angle you can find out by using reciprocal relationship. You know already reciprocal relationship. If you know these three angles, you can always, so by reciprocal, by using sin theta is equal to 1 over cosecant theta. So if you write the reciprocal of sin theta, then you will get cosecant theta. Like that you can write this by using a reciprocal relationship. Okay, so let's go for the next one, that is cot theta. So fourth term is cot theta. As you know, it is a reciprocal of tan theta. So as you know, tan theta is opposite by adjacent. If you reverse this, you can write it as adjacent by opposite. Adjacent by opposite is cot theta. So here cot theta is BC by AB. What is adjacent here? BC by AB. Opposite side is AB. By taking the ratio of BC by AB, you can find out cot theta. Similarly, secant theta is equal to what? It is a reciprocal of cos theta. So 1 over cos theta is secant theta. You know cos theta already you define, it is adjacent by hypotenuse. By reversing this, secant theta can be written as reverse of cos theta, that is hypotenuse by adjacent. The hypotenuse will be AC and adjacent will be BC. Okay, like this you can write it. Similarly, the last one is cosecant theta. Cosecant theta is defined as, it is a reciprocal of sin theta. Reciprocal of sin theta. Sin theta is opposite by hypotenuse. So cosecant theta is the reverse of that. Hypotenuse by opposite. Hypotenuse will be AC and opposite in the diagram, if you refer, opposite side will be AB. So by taking this ratio, so you can find out this trigonometric function. Actually, this is the definition of trigonometric function. You need to remember at least 3. If you remember, then if you know the reciprocal relationship, no need to remember remaining 3. Always remember sin theta is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. Cos theta is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. And tan theta is equal to opposite by adjacent. Okay. So this is what the definition of trigonometric function. Now, what is the application of trigonometric function? We'll see the application of a trigonometric function. Application of trigonometric function is nothing but, here you know only one angle 90 degree. So there are 5 unknown. AB I don't know, BC I don't know, AC I don't know, the angle BAC also I don't know. Okay, and angle BCA also I don't know. Only this angle I know 90 degree. So if you know any one angle out between these two, either this angle or this angle, any one angle and any one side if you know, then remaining things you can usually find out by the application of trigonometric function. Let's see how you can find out. I will give one or two examples so you can find out. Here you see in this problem, so they asked to find out the angle. Here opposite side is given as 4. The magnitude of the opposite side is 4 and magnitude of the hypotenuse here is 5. You need to find out angle. So how you find out? So here opposite and hypotenuse will be there. So the relation with which relationship will give opposite and hypotenuse, that is sin theta. So if you apply that, so the application of trigonometric function, if you talk about, take this problem and if you apply sin theta, it will give opposite by hypotenuse. So opposite is 4 magnitude, hypotenuse magnitude is 5, the ratio will be 0.8. Sin theta is equal to 0.8 now. So you need to find out theta. What is theta? By taking the equation like this, theta is equal to sin inverse of 0.8, you will get 53.13. 53.13 will be the angle. See, if you know these two sides, you can easily find out the remaining side. Okay, so by taking, so you know right angle triangle will apply Pythagoras theorem. So if this is 4, this will be 3 and this will be 5. So let's take this side is 3 and this side is 5 and then try to find out what is the angle. Angle has to come same. So by the application of, this is adjacent side and this is hypotenuse, let's take like that. So if application of cos theta, if you talk about application of cos theta, so cos theta is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent by hypotenuse, adjacent will be 3 and magnitude of the adjacent will be 3 and magnitude of the hypotenuse will be 5. So the ratio is 0.6, but angle should be same when you find in the previous case. Cos theta is equal to 0.6, theta is equal to cos inverse of 0.6. We will get the same angle here also. Thank you. This is about the basics of trigonometric ratio and application of trigonometric ratio. Hope it will helpful for you guys. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care.